Okay, so I'm just going to intuitively tune in here to my own higher self to get the energetic vibe of this Mars coming into Sagittarius. Now, we have to remember that what I do in this video is mundane astrology. This is not an all signs or whatever relating to your sun sign or anything. Because, not to be rude, but if you're just focusing on your sun sign or your big three and you're not taking into account your entire chart or anything else, you're kind of really just missing the point. No offense, but then a lot of the stuff that just focuses on your sun sign or those are just really simply not very accurate. And what I do with this is mundane astrology, which is on a more global scale, whether that's politically, economically, or a full, more global type of energy. If you want something specifically for you, then you need a personal reading for that, okay? So, Mars in Sagittarius, I'm seeing the same thing and getting the same thing that I got in the weekly intuitive astrology video, in that this is global action. There's something happening globally, whether this is like politically, economically, or whatever. It feels like maybe it's more economically. And it's a bit chaotic, okay? There's an opposition to Uranus there, Uranus retrograde, and I feel like that's where that chaos is coming from. And so it's a bit chaotic. But the underlying energy to this is positive, whether we're being shown that or not, okay? Because there's always a lot of manipulation in media and otherwise, and we're not really seeing the full picture. Even when somebody says something or what we see it, we're not really seeing fully maybe what is occurring behind the scenes or what is really going on to cause it, or if it's really good or really bad or whatever. So we have to always use our own discernment, tune into our own hearts for that. 100%, okay? But yeah, it's just action taken on a global scale, and it's maybe leads to chaos or is a bit chaotic. All right, if you want more on this or more on this week's astrology, you can head on over to my YouTube and watch the full intuitive astrology video for the week. I also do offer personal readings if anyone is interested in that, including a $10 just a quickie reading, a 3-minute reading. But yeah, that's the vibe for Mars coming into Sagittarius.